Ever feel like you have no sense of style? I'm sure we've all had our heads turned or done a double take on someone with a great outfit, or admire celebrities and influencers for something they've worn. This is because these people have a great sense of personal style. Let's explore what is personal style in this video. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about anything, everything related to fashion. Hi, I'm Jody Jan. I worked in the fashion industry for over 30 years for 50 plus brands. I have my own eponymous brand. You could check it out in the bio. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is part 2 of developing a personal style. Here's a second set of exercises to help you determine your personal style. Let's begin with the basic understanding. What is personal style? Personal style is the use of fashion in the way we express ourselves. When we make a first impression, and often when it's good, it leaves a lasting presence behind. Style is a statement in how we want to represent ourselves in the way we wear fashion. If you ever thought that what we wear does not matter overall in the way others view us, I can assure you this isn't the case. Otherwise, fashion would not be discussed so incessantly. Often we are judged by what we wear and how we style the outfits we wear. With that said, here are 2 things to consider when you create outfits to reflect your personal style. 1. What do you want your style to say about you? 2. What do you want others to say about your style when they look at you? If you can marry the 2 together harmoniously, that's when you establish your personal style. If you were to describe your personality to create your style persona, are you artsy where you want to perhaps show your creativity in your style? Are you laid back where you want an easy peasy style? Are you outgoing where you want to show a vibrant style? Are you reserved where you want to show a conservative style? Are you edgy where you want to show a bold style? Are you confident where you want to show a powerful style? Or are you timeless where you want to show a classic style? Now think about how you describe yourself and use the adjective to create the persona for your style uniform. However you describe yourself should be how you use your style uniform to bring out the inner you to the outer you through fashion. You should always keep your style uniform in mind when you're shopping and curating your personal style. Next, we move on to using your personality to manifest a persona for your personal style. Do you like being the center of attention? Or are you more of a wallflower? Here are 10 common personas often used to signify a personal style. 1. Corporate warrior. 2. Socialite. 3. Downtown girl. 4. Uptown girl. 5. Hippie bohemian. 6. Jet setter. 7. Rocker chick. 8. Athleisure enthusiast. 9. Vixen. 10. Preppy academic. Another struggle most people have a hard time with is how to determine the color palette for your wardrobe. Let's establish some color basics. Colors are used in primary, secondary, and tertiary states. There are 6 color schemes for you to use in selecting your color palette. If you are selecting colors for your wardrobe, you should know the undertone of your skin to find colors complementary to you. Is your undertone warm? Is it cool? Or is it neutral? Here's how to identify your undertone. Do a color print of a warm and cool tone, hold it against your face. Whichever one makes your face glow is your undertone. If both color palettes work, then you're the lucky few where both color palettes work. Make sure the colors you select brings out the best version of yourself and do not wash you out. There are 2 things to consider when selecting colors for your wardrobe. 1. Colors should showcase a mood or the visual messaging of what the outfit is. 2. What colors are complementary to your overall coloring? Simply put, we've all experienced wearing colors that are flattering on us where we get compliments. And then there are colors that make us look sickly and washed out. When choosing your color palette, I recommend 6 colors so you have enough variety but not be overwhelmed with color selection. If you love colors, have fun with it, be it solids, prints, or patterns. Just because you wear neutrals, it doesn't mean that it needs to be drab or boring. You could create outfits with texture or use pops of color in the accessories. Wearing monochromatic colors makes an outfit look very put together and often elevates the overall look of the outfits. When wearing mix and match colors, stay with the same undertone color theme so the colors do not fight for attention. Having a color scheme makes creating outfits look more cohesive and forms an aesthetic to your style uniform. Here are some color pairing options for you to consider when selecting your color palette. Monochromatic. Here's a beige monochromatic versus a colorful monochromatic. Multicolored. Pastels. Brights. Neutrals. Prints. Prints and textures. Lastly, wearing black and white is different than wearing beiges and grays when talking about neutrals. Another very important factor to personal style is the fit of your outfits. Too often I see people get very attached to the size label of clothes rather than the proportional fit of the clothes. As someone who has worked for over 50 brands using different fit models for the same size, the size is more of a general guideline since brands cater to different target customers. If something doesn't fit, try sizing up or down to get a better fit. When you're buying clothes for your wardrobe, try on styles you like in a few sizes to see what looks good. No one knows the size except for you, so make sure it fits you. Make sure you're not packed in or swimming in your outfits. Brands offer you dressing rooms and often free returns, so you should make sure to get the right fit. Pro tip: if you really want to elevate your personal style, invest in a tailor. Nothing screams expensive like a well-fitting outfit that fits to your body proportions. Often people spend more money replenishing a bad-fitting fashion than spending the money getting clothes tailored. Generally speaking, a tailored look makes a person appear more put together, and an oversized look makes a person appear more casual. This is the root cause for most people in developing and maintaining their personal style. The often misguided advice regarding personal style is not factoring how to incorporate fashion into your lifestyle. I've heard some wild and silly advice from people who say, wear whatever you want in your personal style, without factoring in that we don't always have the luxury of doing this, since there are many unspoken dress codes in society we must adhere to. Here are a few that you should consider so you can wisely invest in a wardrobe that is suitable for your lifestyle. As most of us work, we have to consider our career in selecting our style uniform. What you wear to work is dictated by company culture and your role within the company. The business professional style. If you work in a corporate environment, the dress code is more conservative, involving more tailoring and classic styles. The creative field style. However, if you work in a more art-related field, you have more creative license to parlay your style to the field you're in. The style uniform needs to be functional for our daily life. Every day we take time to get dressed and create outfits suitable for our daily activities. Some of us have hectic lifestyles where we don't have time to fuss over creating outfits on the fly. This is why having a wardrobe with our personal style makes it easy to create outfits. Another thing to consider for your personal style is your social life. What is your life outside of work and family like? Do you enjoy brunches or dinner parties? Is going to a concert or the ballet your thing? Are you more socially outgoing or do you prefer to stay at home? Does your social life involve more casual or black tie attire? What kind of outings do you attend and what are the dress codes? Selecting the aesthetic that aligns with your personality and lifestyle is essential for establishing your personal style. The last exercise in order to establish your personal style is understanding how designers use design details when designing around the body silhouette, then combining it with your kibi to really dress for your actual body. You could check out my silhouette and kibi videos. The link is in the description box. Now that we've completed these exercises and helping you get started in developing your personal style, you could check out part 1. The link is in the description box. If you liked this video and found the information useful, be sure to hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.